Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Tonight on CCNWorld TV News, we're pulling back the curtain on one of Jamaica's most talked about YouTubers, Colaz Smith. He's a man you've seen hosting charity events, feeding the homeless, and showing big YouTubers link up across Jamaica, the Caribbean, and even on an international scale. But behind the smiles and giveaways, there's a burning question. Is Colaz really building community? Or is he building his channel off the backs of other YouTubers? This is Colaz Smith exposed. Is he using other YouTubers for fame? Let's break it down. Welcome back to CCNWorld TV News, your non-traditional news source for the stories other channels are too scared to touch. I'm CC, your host, and tonight we're not here to tear anybody down. We're here to lay out the facts, the rumors, and the receipts. So grab your tea, settle in, and by the end of this video, you decide for yourself. Is Colaz a genuine community builder? Or is he a master networker who knows exactly how to leverage other people's clout? Let's roll back the timeline. Who is Colaz Smith? First, for the few who don't know, Colaz Smith is a Jamaican content creator who built his brand on charity, positivity, and big link-ups. His channel, ColazSmith TV, blew up with videos feeding the homeless, surprising struggling families with cash. He's no stranger to viral moments. His giving back videos have racked up thousands of views. And for many, Colaz is seen as a humble man, using his platform to uplift others. But where there's light, there's always a shadow. And that shadow comes in the form of collaborations. Now let's talk about these link-ups. If you scroll through Colaz channels, you'll see titles like Massive YouTuber Meetup in Ocho Rios, ColazSmith links up with new creators, Charity Drive featuring popular vloggers. These videos do well. They bring hype, new audiences, and cross-promotion. But some critics argue that these meetups aren't always about the community. They're about numbers. Is Colaz spotlighting smaller channels to lift them up? Or is he using fresh faces to keep his channel hot? Some say both things can be true. Now, to be fair, many people defend Colaz fiercely. They point to the charity drives, the money he spends on care packages, the fact that he'll pull up in deep rural areas just to help a family in need. They say if he's using fame to help people, isn't that a good thing? Some argue that no matter the strategy, the community benefits in the end. But others counter. How much money stays in the videos? And how much goes back to the cause? So far, there's no hard proof of wrongdoing, but the questions keep bubbling up. Here's a real twist. Many small YouTubers benefit too. Being featured on Colaz channel can boost their subs overnight. One creator speaking anonymously said, "Me get 500 subs after the link up. Colaz give me the push me needed." But the man a smart man. Him know me audience I go watch him too. So, is it exploitation or just business as usual in the YouTube game? One hand washes the other. That's how the industry works. Or is it? And what does Colaz say about all this? Well, he doesn't say much directly. In his videos, he brushes off drama, thanks his supporters, and keeps it moving. When haters talk, Colaz doubles down on giving. More food packages, more surprise donations. So, If there's a master plan, he's keeping it close to his chest. So what's the final word? Is Colaz Smith exposed, or are the haters just reaching? At CCNWorld TV News, we say this: collaboration, charity, and a little drama. That's YouTube in 2025. Many creators do it. Some do it well, some do it poorly. Colaz does it big. If he's using other YouTubers for fame, then they're also using him for the boost. Until someone shows real evidence of exploitation, we chalk it up to the cost of building clout. And for the people under the bridge getting food, or the single mom getting a free care package, they probably don't care about the YouTube politics. They care that someone showed up. So tonight, Colaz stays uncancelled. So what do you think? Is Colaz building a family or building an empire off other creators' back? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think these link-ups are genuine or just strategic? And if you've got tea we missed, hit us up. We love receipts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this deep dive with your crew. You're watching CCNWorld TV News, the news that talks back. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay tuned.